Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Bluetooth is not working in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G. So if you're having any trouble related to Bluetooth in your device Samsung A23 5G and A33 5G, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix Bluetooth problem in your device.